brush and floss every day but still told you need a deep cleaning? You're not alone. Let's talk about why it's recommended, what it actually involves, and how it supports your long-term oral health. At Parkway Smiles Dental, we use the term dental hygiene therapy because visiting a professional dental hygienist is so much more than just a standard teeth cleaning. Dental hygiene is designed to reach areas that daily brushing and flossing can't, especially below the gum line where harmful bacteria and hardened tartar tend to build up. When left untreated, this buildup can lead to inflammation, gum disease, and even affect the bone that supports your teeth. So regular and consistent dental hygiene therapy gives your gums the opportunity to heal, return to a healthier, more stable condition, protecting both your smile and your long-term oral health. Even if you're brushing and flossing regularly, plaque and tartar can build up under the gums, especially if brushing technique or consistency varies. This buildup can lead to swollen, bleeding gums, or even gum disease. So hygiene therapy helps remove that hidden buildup, reduce inflammation, and allow your gums to heal. During your first visit, we'll assess your gum health by probing your gums, taking measurements, and capturing intraoral photos so we can clearly see what's going on below the surface and educate you on your current oral health condition. From there, we'll determine what treatment is needed to get you back to a healthy baseline. We follow the Alberta Dental Fee guide, and our pricing is always consistent with it. Many of our healthy patients visit us every 6 months for 3 to 4 units of scaling as part of their hygiene treatment. However, when patients exhibit signs of periodontal disease, we may need more intensive scaling and schedule more frequent visits. Beyond scaling, we will perform polishing and fluoride treatments during your visit. If you'd like a full breakdown of our hygiene pricing, we encourage you to visit our website and review our hygiene pricing chart. If you have dental insurance, we'll also help you understand what your plan covers. If you've been told you need dental hygiene therapy, it's not a bad sign. It's an opportunity to reset and protect your long-term oral health. Book your appointment at Parkway Smiles Dental today.